What's up and welcome to my channel, The Review King. And on today's episode I have the pleasure of reviewing one of the most top-rated Amazon TV wall mounts out there. So let's take a look. Holy Christ, baby came today. I'm not sure what brand it is. There. Okay. One of this, okay. God. Large full motion TV wall mount from PERLESMITH. Ordered on Amazon, right around 50 bucks, 52 bucks maybe. And this came directly to my door, so let's check it out right now. I'm installing it on my 55-inch TV today, and we're even gonna have a look at how to find a stud today. We're gonna go through all the steps today and fully install this wall mount. Cable, got our bolts there, wall lag bolts, got a wrench to go with it, and we got our TV sitting bolts here. When you're installing these, remember to install these like this. Put the nut first, then put this black washer so it actually creates a space between the TV and itself. Because we need all the space we can get right here in this little hook. And now for the fun part, we're actually installing the mount on the wall. So I don't have a stud finder today, so basically, I'm just gonna find out where I wanna put my TV, and then I'm gonna have to do a little investigation to see where the studs are. Let's do it. I wanna put this wall mount here. The edge of it's going here. So I need to find a stud that's close to that location. So basically, I don't have a stud finder, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of investigation here. How I'm gonna do that with my little drill and with a screw. All right, first, no stud. I really have no idea where a stud is. I want to get a stud. Maybe right there. Maybe right there, I'm guessing. Right there. That's where it is. Let's try. Let's try it. Please. Please be a stud. There it is. There it is. Oh my God. There's a stud there. Are you kidding me? There's our other stud. And there's our one stud. And there's our second stud. And this is all gonna be covered up by the TV wall mount anyways. So let's put it up. To install this wall mount properly, you're actually gonna need a 1/2-inch ratchet or wrench. Ratchet would be easier, something like that, to install the lag bolts into the studs. Or if it doesn't have a stud, it comes with some anchors, but I'd prefer to be in a stud. There's my first stud. There's my second stud. See? Oh man, perfect. Jeez. We have a bigger metal washer. This one goes on there because it gives it a little better of a surface to grip on, and when you're spinning it, it's not directly against the steel. We take our wall mount, which is really nice construction, feels really good, and it's kind of heavy. This is the part where it's kind of not fun holding it, but drill this baby right in there really quick. This. Just get it started in there. This thing is heavy to hold. It'd be nice if you had someone to hold it for you. There, so you gotta put this in. Put the one side in that you already put in first. Make sure your ratchet's untightened. Drill that baby in. Lag bolt and washer. we're gonna need this too. So keep that in your, God, keep that in your pocket. You know, unless you want to get your pneumatic impact wrench out to hammer this baby in, unless you got a electric one or a drill or whatever. Let's see. There it is. That's pretty good. It's pretty on point there. Now we'll go up here, just try it. Look at that. Look at this. Pretty damn good. Pretty damn good, eh? Yeah, that's good. I'm happy with that. And remember to put the washers on the lag bolts because it seems like they could go right through. But if those washers are on there, then you're good. Okay, now that we've got our wall mount securely fastened, and it's solid, and I mean solid. It comes out pretty far, actually, right? Yeah, that's pretty far. Over that way. That's pretty nice. I'm excited. Now, it's time to attach on our TV bar arms that go in the back that the TV actually hooks onto. There's a big nut, looks like. Right. And oh, that's just a hanger nut. Okay. Hangs right on there so that you can easily get it on and off. Then there are 2 bolts down here. Perfect. So put this on first. They have washers. So now I just have to tighten a couple star screwdriver slots in the back here. Okay. All right, so that's pretty solid in there now. These 2 bolts, I tighten that up, and our hanger screw sitting there. We're still level, and we're still bolted on nice and solid. And all I have to do is get the other 2 bars for the TV and throw them in there. It actually comes with the Allen key for that. And beautiful, that's it. We're ready to hook our TV up. That's a pretty good range of motion. That's pretty awesome. It did come with a tool for the angle. So a little key, I guess. So you keep that with it. Okay, we tighten that up. That's my angle there. And you're gonna think you're on like this, but really, all you need to do is go up a little bit and make sure the bottom one's in too. So the bottom one's on both sides too. Yeah, so I think that's good. That's good there. Thanks for watching my review from one of Amazon's top TV wall mounts. Large full motion TV wall mount by PERLESMITH. It's less than 55 bucks. I think it holds from 35-inch to 55-inch TVs. This here is a 55-inch TV. Don't forget to subscribe right down there for so many more amazing reviews.